What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play on 10 by Russ. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll backflip kick your grandma on the chops. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to 3. You're using 4 different chords, you're just picking through them and it repeats throughout the entire song. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab I'll have in there for you as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, they'll be there for you. First chord you're going to be using is going to be A minor. It's going to be 002210. And then E minor, it's going to be 022000. G major, 320003. And then C major, which is 032010. Once you get the chords down, all you need is the picking pattern. Starting on your A minor, you're just picking A, D, G, B. Just those 4 strings, just one right after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to that E minor and you're gonna pick E, A, G, D. E, A, G, D. So A, D, G, B. E, A, G, D. Go to your G major chord and you're just picking the exact same strings that you just picked for your E minor. E, A, G, D. Then jump to your C chord and you're picking the exact same strings that you picked for your A minor. A, D, G, B. So all together very slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.